Hey, it's Scott with World Hyundai. Let me ask you, if you could get up to 3 sets of replacement tires with your new car, would you buy anywhere else? Or if you could get 3 full brake replacements, including pads and rotors, through 100,000 miles, would you even consider going somewhere else? We wouldn't either. Well, now you've got a tough choice to make. At World Hyundai, you get our 100,000-mile tire promise or our 100,000-mile brake promise. And this isn't just a promise, it's a warranty backing you for the next 100,000 miles of driving. Nobody comes close to this. In fact, the savings could add up. No other dealer can match this. It's why savvy shoppers are switching every day to a dealership that understands you're looking for more than just a great deal. Other dealerships might give you a keychain and a box of cookies, but at World Hyundai, we believe you deserve more than crumbs. You deserve real value, real coverage, and 100,000 miles of confidence. Tires, brakes, it's your choice. Either way, you win. Visit World Hyundai in the Matteson Auto Mall. World Hyundai, where the right promise makes all the difference in the world.